In this video, we will see code implementation.
Now let's see the code of it, difference of k. So I will declare one variable. Okay, I'm using let, you can use left pointer. So let's make it a bit pseudo, right? So I won't initialize the variables. So right equals to 1, remember the two things, and let's start taking difference equals to 0. So I will take while loop, and while will add the condition at the last, and I will simply use difference here because my difference will change again and again. So ARR of right minus ARR of left, this will be difference. Now two conditions: if difference is less than k, or else difference is greater than k. So let me mention here that is basics things and k and ARR, and less else that is difference is equals to k. Okay, so these will be our 3 points. So if difference is less than k, I want to increase the difference, so I will simply say right plus plus. If difference is greater than k, then I will use say left plus plus, else we got the results. So we should return yes, but remember this should only happen when both the elements, both the indexes are at different point, right? It should not be at the same point. So I will add one condition here, that if my left is not equals to r, that is right, then you can return yes. Else if both the pointer are moving the same direction, both are pointing to the same element, so what should you do? You will simply say right plus plus. We can check this point in dry run, so don't worry about it. And after this while loop, what I will do, I will simply say return no, so it was found, I guess, found and not found, right? So not found. What will be the condition here? So both the pointers are moving in the same direction. The first one that basically complete the array will be right, so I am putting right less than n, right, and your current size of the array, okay, small. You can also put like left less than n something, and you can make n condition. That is also true, but this is also true. It totally depends on you. Now let's see the dry run of this code, how this code is working.